Hello everyone, I Sayyid Nawaz. I welcome back you to my YouTube channel Math World. So in today's problem, I'm not going to explain you any kind of numerical problem. I'm just going to say you that for studying some subjects, how can you crack GATE in Petroleum Engineering 2021. So my explanation is based on the GATE Petroleum Engineering 5-year papers, previous papers. So let us quickly review that uh, what I wrote over here. So this is subjects, how many subjects will going to appear in GATE Petroleum Engineering, and the qualifying marks according to their reserve categories, and what was the highest marks in that particular year. So in 2016 you can see that highest marks is 83%. So based on this 83%, this marks has been divided, this marks has been allotted to different kind of categories. So as I even wrote here the 1 mark and 2 mark question and total marks. So if I just read this how many questions have been appeared, then the video will be too long, right? So if you want to really check how many marks of question have been appeared, so you can pause pause the video and you can check. So I'm just clicking on every year so that you can check by yourself by uh, pausing the video for a while. So this is in 2017, the 2 marks, 1 marks and total marks question, and the highest marks in 2017 is 19, which is one among the highest highest marks who secured in GATE in any of the stream. Okay. Uh, so here you can see that I have made a separate folders. So in 2018, these are the number of marks allotted to different subjects, and in 2019 this is the marks, and in 2020 these are the marks. Right. Now let's jump to a main folder, which is nothing but 2021. So here you can see that I have combined all, means I have collected all the marks of different year at one side, right? So here you can also see that it is my personal opinion that from particular subjects, these are the marks which are going to be appear in GATE 2021. It may be approximately equal to, I can't say the exact, right? So here if you want to pass GATE Petroleum Engineering 2021, so you can see that only by seeing just by seeing some subjects. This is one subject which is nothing but mathematics, which is must for everyone, and another subject is reservoir oil and gas well drilling technology. In this you can see that for consecutive years the different marks has been allotted to 8, and the highest marks was 12 marks, which was asked in 2016 and 2020. So based on that, I can assume that in this year they are going to ask around 11 marks of questions from drilling technology. Here in reservoir engineering you can see 15, 13 marks, 19 marks, 19 marks, and in last year they have means this year they have asked 20 marks question. So based on the previous year marks, I can say that here in this year they are going to ask approximately 17 marks questions. And in petroleum production operation, they have asked around 18, 14, 15, and 2019 they have asked the least marks around 7 marks among these years. And even in this year, means 2021 GATE Petroleum Engineering exam, they can ask around 14 marks, right? So let us see what will be the next subject. This is one of my favorite subject, oil and gas well testing. Even in this subject they will ask around 8 marks this year, and apart from that you just have to study EOR. So if you just heard my explanation, I have focused on mathematics, drilling technology, reservoir engineering, petroleum production, and oil and gas well testing, and EOR, right? So if you study these subjects, so you can cover maximum marks in your GATE, because the remaining subjects will appear for one of the lowest marks. Here you can see the latest trends, it never exceed beyond 6 marks, although in 2017 you can say that it's a luck of that subject that they have asked around 6 marks from that particular subject. Okay, so if you see health and safety, even these subjects contains very low marks, and in 2020 they haven't asked any question from health and safety environment, but I have given 2 marks for that subject in 2021 based on 2019, 18, 17 and 16 marks distribution, right? And petroleum formation evaluation, even though I didn't like this subject, but it also plays a very vital marks distribution role in GATE petroleum engineering papers. So I have given it 4 marks distribution in 2021, which we can expect. And in offshore drilling, offshore production practices, you can see that they have asked in 2017 1 marks and 2018 1 marks, but in 2020 they have asked 4 marks, but I have given it the 2 marks. Okay, so what we have to just study to crack the GATE in petroleum engineering subject is mathematics, oil and gas drilling, and reservoir engineering, petroleum production, and oil and gas well testing, and EOR. Apart from this, aptitude is an spoon to you, that how much you can grab it, because the aptitude marks are constant for all of the consecutive years, which is nothing but 15 marks. So if you even sum up the number of subjects what I told you, the total of these subjects marks will be around 70 to 75 marks, which are quite enough and quite okay to crack GATE in any of the consecutive years. You can see here the qualifying marks for general, because the qualifying marks for general is one of the highest among the highest qualifying marks of these three, general, OBC and SC/ST. 51.1 is the highest marks. So as I said you that if you study these subjects, you can get around means the question what you appear in GATE is around 70 to 75. Although if you study everything regarding this subject for 75 marks, but based on the caliber of means based on the quality of the GATE exam paper, you can grab around 60 to 65. Okay, so which is far away, which is more than enough to qualify a GATE, because the highest qualifying marks was 51, as I just said you, right? So that's the end of this video. Hope this information is very useful for you. Although I took a lot of time to prepare this, because I have to download different papers and I have to analyze how many marks of questions I have been asked from different subjects in different years. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you like, just hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Math World. If you haven't just press the bell icon to get a new notification of the videos whatever I made in future. So if you have any doubt or questions, you can ask me in comments. You can mention over there. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and good luck with your preparation.